Are you thinking about buying a used car but worried about making a mistake? Well, what if I told you there are certain vehicles that no matter how good the deal looks, you should never buy? Curious? In this video, we're diving into the top cars you should avoid, especially if you're shopping in the $5,000 to $15,000 range. These cars might look tempting, but their hidden problems will cost you more in repairs than they're worth. Let's get into it. 4 universal deal killers to keep in mind. When searching for a used car, certain red flags should immediately make you walk away. Here are 4 universal deal killers to be aware of. Dead air conditioner. A seller claiming the AC just needs Freon is a huge warning sign. The issue could be a failed compressor, which often spreads debris throughout the system. Repairs can cost $1,200 to $2,000, making this a costly gamble. Severe rust isn't just ugly, it's dangerous. Modern cars use unibody construction, meaning severe rust on the body or undercarriage can compromise safety and longevity. Rusted brake lines or structural components are clear deal breakers. Car doesn't start. If the car won't start and the seller blames a simple fix, like a starter or lost key, walk away. A non-starting car can hide deeper, more expensive problems. No title. Never buy a car without a title. Title issues can lead to legal headaches, making any deal more trouble than it's worth. Number 1. Chevy Cru, 2010 or newer, 1.4-liter turbo. The Chevy Cru with the 1.4-liter turbo engine is a nightmare waiting to happen. These cars are infamous for turbocharger failures, often needing multiple replacements that still don't last. Recalls highlight serious issues, including engine fires, power brake loss, and even steering wheels detaching. While the price might seem attractive, the frequent breakdowns and costly repairs make the Cru a poor choice. Avoid it at all costs. Number 2. Hyundai Sonata, 2015 or newer, 2.4 GDI engine. The 2015 or newer Hyundai Sonata, with the 2.4 GDI engine, is notorious for catastrophic engine failures. Many owners report engines seizing unexpectedly, leaving them stranded. Hyundai struggles to meet the overwhelming demand for replacement parts, making repairs a frustrating ordeal. Some owners have even scrapped their cars out of desperation. While the Sonata might appear reliable at first glance, its engine issues make it a risky and costly investment. Number 3. Audi A8. Any year. The Audi A8 is a luxury sedan that turns into a financial nightmare after 100,000 miles. From engine-out repairs for oil leaks to complex electronic failures, maintaining this car can drain your wallet fast. Each repair often costs thousands, and its resale value plummets for good reason. While its premium features may tempt you, the frequent breakdowns and exorbitant upkeep make the A8 a vehicle you're better off avoiding entirely. Number 4. Mazda RX8, 2004 or newer. The Mazda RX8 is a sleek sports car with a notorious flaw: its rotary engine. These engines are prone to losing compression after just 60,000 to 70,000 miles, leading to costly repairs. Flooding issues and difficulty finding mechanics willing to work on them add to the frustration. While the RX8 might catch your eye with its unique design, its reliability issues make it a poor choice for anyone seeking a dependable vehicle. Number 5. Nissan Rogue, 2007 to 2015. The 2007 to 2015 Nissan Rogue is plagued by its unreliable JATCO CVT transmission. These transmissions often fail prematurely, leading to costly replacements. Proper maintenance might extend their life, but many owners neglect it, resulting in frequent breakdowns. While the Rogue might seem like a practical SUV, its transmission issues make it a risky and expensive choice to own. While these cars might seem like a great deal, their hidden issues can lead to costly repairs and frustration. Always research thoroughly and avoid these models to ensure you make a smart, long-term investment in your next vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any cars you'd add to the never buy list. Until next time, take care and happy car hunting.